Hi guys, so for this week's nail art I've picked my base colour and it is this blue tone with some subtle shimmer in it as well. Now over the top I'm going to use this lavender hollow and I'm just going to do the dry brush technique so you can see there is some very faint hollow colour added over the blue. Next, using a black striper, I'm going to do 3 lines on each nail. As you can see, they're coming in different directions and different placements on each nail. Lastly, using black and a dotting tool, we're going to do 2 rows of dots, and as you can see, once more I've done them in different places and in different lengths.